For close round 33, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet. In this round we had 234 single crochet. Round 33, chain 1, a single crochet into same place, three chain, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet into 3, 1, 2, 3. After the single crochet we leave 2 single crochet into 3, we make a single crochet. Again 3 chain, we leave 2 single crochet into 3, we make a single crochet. Again 3 chain, we leave 2 single crochet into 3, we make a single crochet. So 3 chain and a single crochet into 3 after this single crochet, 1, 2, 3. We continue this pattern until we finish this round. Make 78 single crochet and 78 3 chain space, and I come back here. For close round 34, we make a slip stitch into very first single crochet. Round 34, we move into 3 chain space with a slip stitch. 3 chain, count as first double crochet. We make 2 double crochet into 3 chain space. Totally 3 double crochet into 3 chain space. 3 double crochet into next 3 chain space. Three double crochet into next 3 chain space. And we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. Every 3 chain space we make 3 double crochet all around this